All right, it's Tuesday morning, rise and shine. Let's get this day started and get after it. So here's what's shaking. Markets are higher, 400 points higher in the Dow, 30 plus points higher in the S&P. Oil higher by nearly 2%. We've got a weaker dollar. We have that Aussie dollar ripping higher over the past 2 days, just shy of spot 70. And there is a lot of love out there right now for the Fed. They come out yesterday at 12:30 Chicago time, 1:30 Eastern time, say they're going to start buying up individual corporate bonds, pumping some life into the credit markets, making sure these companies are flush with cash and can continue to operate. And that takes the Dow, which at one point in time yesterday was down over 700 points, finished positive on a day, up 150. That right there, folks, that's volatility. Beautiful thing about Nadex, you can get in there and you could trade that volatility. Dow Jones, we've got the Wall Street 30, S&P 500, you name it. You can get in there and you can trade these indices. So 3 things right now you need to be aware of. 1, we've got news coming out that President Trump is considering $1 trillion package for infrastructure. That's benefiting these markets this morning. We have Fed Chairman Jerome Powell speaking before Congress. That starts today. That could shake things up a little bit. And then on the negative side, word has it that North Korea blew up a facility that's just above the border that had belonged to South Korea in retaliation for some propaganda that had crept up north of the border. And that's taken us off some of the highs that we saw in the overnight session. So 3 things there you need to be aware of as far as headline risk. Again, these markets driving higher right now. Looks like it's going to be a strong start to the day. And if nothing more, we're going to have some volatility to trade. I'll check in with you folks again tomorrow. Check in with us on Facebook and Twitter today. As more breaking news comes out, we'll keep you updated. Stay safe, stay healthy. And like I always say, let's get out there. Let's do something nice for someone else.